In a container, take about 1 cup of buttermilk. This helps in tenderizing the chicken. And in another polythene bag, I've taken chicken tenders. These are about 8 to 9 chicken tenders, and then beat them slightly with a hammer, and then place it back into the buttermilk container. And we will season it with some spices. Here are the spices. With a fork, put some holes in the chicken so that the spices can go in, and add some red crushed pepper. And this can be according to your taste. Some freshly ground black peppercorns. A little bit of onion powder. And a little bit of garlic powder. These might be about 1 tablespoon each. And then some salt to taste. And give it a nice mix so that the spices will blend in the buttermilk and the chicken. You can marinate this chicken for about 2 hours, or as we did, for about 24 hours or overnight, and put it in the refrigerator. Now here are all the things set up. So on the extreme right is the chicken with the buttermilk, and next to it is some flour, and next to it is some beaten eggs, and again some flour. I'm going to season everything, so put in the red crushed peppers, the onion powder, garlic powder, and some pepper powder. Some salt to taste, and mix all these in everything really well, and beat the eggs along with the seasoning. Now we're going to take the chicken, we're going to dip it in the first flour mixture, coat the flour really well. Next, put this chicken in the egg mixture. And then again in the second flour mixture. Coat the chicken with the flour really well. shake it to get rid of excess flour and put it in the oil for frying. Turn it. You might see a golden brown color. Fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side and again for 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. It'll be nicely golden brown, crisp, and deliciously fried chicken. Once everything is done, take it out from the pan. And we will repeat the process with the remaining chicken. We'll put it in the flour. Then in the egg mixture, and then again in the second flour mixture. This process makes the chicken really very crispy and delicious. So while our chicken is frying, we will make our other chicken pieces ready by coating them in flour, egg, and then flour mixture. You can turn the chicken time to time, seeing its progress. Now here is the chicken that is frying, and it turned out to be really crispy. Sometimes the oil might turn brown because that is because of the flour. If you feel the oil is too hot, you can reduce the flame and let the chicken fry nicely. Give it a time to fry nicely in low flame. Let it take its time until it becomes crispy golden brown. So here are the remaining chicken that are being fried. And I'm using a small frying pan, about an 8-inch, because it uses less oil and it does the job. So here are our chicken, and looking extremely delicious. Now we're going to make our sandwiches. We will put the mayonnaise. You can place the toppings as you want. Whatever way you want, you can place your toppings according to your liking. And here are some cucumber pickles. Next goes in the cheese. Some tomatoes. And the chicken. So if you see, the size of the chicken has become big because we had beaten it initially. And there it is. Lovely, crispy buttermilk sandwich. You can put a cling wrap on it. And here is another sandwich. We'll put the lettuce, tomatoes, chicken, cheese, and the pickles on the other side of the bun this time. Wrap it up in a cling film, and here are all the sandwiches.